Stand by for a message from the president of HamShackTV. Tonight, I want to speak to you directly, not as a YouTube chasing views, not as a brand, not as a talking head, but as a person behind HamShackTV. Because just like the State of the Union, this isn't about the hype. It's about where we are and how we got here and where we're going next. In 2025, HamShackTV crossed a milestone I honestly never expected to happen this fast. 10,000 subscribers. That number isn't just a metric. It represents tens of thousands of hours watched, hundreds of thousands of comments, and a growing community that cares enough about ham radio to show up. Whether you agree with me or not, for that, I am genuinely grateful. First and foremost, thank you to the viewers, to those who watch every upload, comment thoughtfully, share videos, and email me with ideas, concerns, and personal stories. You are the reason this channel exists. And yes, thank you even to the people who disagree with me. Disagreement means engagement, and engagement means the conversation is alive. HamShackTV wouldn't be where it is today without partners who believe in the mission instead of just chasing impressions. I want to thank you to Ham Radio Prep for making licensing and education approachable and modern. I want to thank World Radio League for bringing real analytics and visibility to what hams are actually doing on the air. Also, I want to thank both of those companies because they are sister companies. They are the reason that we are able to do the HamShackTV HamFest tour fueled by Ham Radio Prep and World Radio League. Keep in tune for that. Make sure you're a subscriber because we're going to take you with us to Orlando for our Hamcation, as well as back to Dayton, Ohio for Hamvention, and back to Huntsville, Alabama. Want to say thank you to one of my newest partners, Gigaparts, not just as a sponsor, but as a physical ham radio hub there on University Avenue in Huntsville, Alabama, and online for operators everywhere. Thank you to Seed Studios for innovation and experimentation. And also thank you to Better Safe Radio for taking emergency preparedness seriously. These aren't just sponsors, they're partners in the belief that hammer radio still matters. This channel also didn't grow in isolation. I'm thankful for new friendships and collaborations with great new friends like Ham Radio 2.0, Jason, KC5HWB, Josh out in California, Chaos6NAZ, Ham Radio Crash Course, Mike, K8MRD, Ham Radio Tube. He may make fun of my voice, but he has become a great friend of this channel, and I really appreciate Mike. Others, the folks that are on the live streams with me every Thursday night, Marvin for being my impromptu producer on the live show. You know, Hillbilly Dave, he's not missed but maybe one or two shows the whole time we've done it. Jason Lockwood used to be on with us every week. Nolan, he came on with us a long time. You've got Tortoise Overland up there in Massachusetts, N3MFL. I appreciate him as well. And the list goes on and on. We've had some great guests on the channel, WB4GBI, Tim Berry. We've had Michael from NARA on the channel. All kinds of great stuff. Andy from World Radio League. What a great guy, great friend of the channel. And the list, I could talk all night about our friends, but I want to say thank you to everybody that has believed in me and came and helped this channel be what it is. These creators prove there's room in this hobby for collaboration instead of competition. We don't grow by tearing each other down. We grow by lifting the conversation up. Now let's talk honestly about growth. HamShackTV didn't grow because I played it safe. It didn't grow because I made sunshine and rainbows contents. It grew because I talked about things people were already thinking, but weren't hearing said out loud. I can see in my analytics for YouTube Studio, I know what you click. I know what you watch all the way through. And I know what you comment on. The data doesn't lie. The videos that spark debate, discomfort, and conversation are the ones you engage with. And I'm not going to apologize to responding to what the audience actually wants. Let's address the elephant in the room. Ham radio has a gatekeeping problem. Not everywhere, not everyone, but enough that it pushes people away. When newcomers are talked down to, when curiosity is treated like ignorance, when innovation is mocked instead of explored, that doesn't protect the hobby. It shrinks it. Calling that out doesn't mean I hate ham radio, because I don't. I love this hobby. I wouldn't spend hours and hours and hours making videos if I didn't care for it. I wouldn't drive to Dayton or Orlando or Huntsville or Nashville or wherever if I didn't love this hobby. What it means is I care enough to want it to survive. Now about the trolls. Yes, there are trolls in the comments. Some are mean, some are repetitive, some just are there to stir the pot. And here's the truth. I'm grateful for them too. Every comment, positive or negative, feeds the YouTube algorithm. Every argument pushes the video further. Every interaction keeps discussion visible. You don't hurt this channel by commenting, you help it, positive or negative. Some people complain about the way I read. They say it's scripted and yes, I do script my videos. I won't lie about that. I do script my videos. But if I don't script it, I'm not going to get all my thoughts out. But people also have an issue with the way I read. And yeah, I don't read books. I'm not going to lie about that. I'm not a librarian and I'm not an English major. So yeah, I may have a difficult time reading sometimes. Who gives a fart? I don't need people to insult me on the way I read. If you want to be like that, get out. But if you want to have a constructive conversation, so be it. But you don't have to be an asshole. It's as simple as that. Here's the reality. I take this seriously. Words matter. Accuracy matters and clarity matters. I'm not here to ramble. I'm here to communicate. And if that bothers you, that's okay. This channel isn't trying to be background noise. Another common complaint is this channel is too negative. Let me be clear. I sound like Obama. Let me be clear. That's great in a State of the Union style address here. Pointing out problems is not negativity. Ignoring them is. If positive only content was what people wanted, those videos would perform better. They don't. They don't. I've got the analytics to prove it. The audience clicks, watches, and engages with the content that challenges the status quo. Because deep down, you know this hobby is at a crossroads. Talking about that isn't pessimism, it's responsibility. HamShackTV exists to do three things: start conversations, challenge assumptions, and keep ham radio relevant. Not everyone will like that approach, and that's fine. Relevance doesn't come from comfort. It comes from honesty. So where do we go from here? More real discussions, more hard questions, and more coverage of innovation, emergency communications, and modern operating. More collaboration, and yes, more content that makes people think, react, and engage. This channel will not retreat into silence. And finally, thank you. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for commenting, even when you disagree. Thank you for the supporting partners who support this channel. 10,000 subscribers wasn't the finish line. It's only the beginning. From the bottom of my heart, thank you for being part of HamShackTV. I'm Josh, AA4WX. Live, learn, transmit. Welcome to the Shack. Guys, I'm so excited about the future of HamShackTV. I cannot wait to hit the road in about a month's time from the day of this recording. About a month, I'll be heading down to Florida for Hamcation down there. I look forward to seeing you all there. If you're coming, make sure you get down in the comments. Say hello to me. I'll be down there with a bunch of your other favorite YouTubers. Say hello. Take a picture. Selfie. Whatever. Thanks for watching, everybody. We'll see you in the next one. 73 AA4 WX WSCB 693.